This video will show you how to add text behind a person effect in Canva. I'm going to add the photo to my design, and then the first step is to add the text layer over my photo. I'll write text as an example for this video. And you write anything you want after that. I'll make my text a bit bigger. And since my text is black, I'll change the color to white, and then you can add effects, change the font, and other things. So take your time and customize the text and position it in your photo. The next thing which we need to do is to duplicate our photo, so tap on the photo to select it if you're a Canva Pro user, then tap on this BG remover option, and that will remove the background from our second photo. After that, you can make the person a little bit bigger for a better effect. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you'll want to open a website called remove.bg, then upload your photo, and then the site will remove the background of your photo for free. You'll then upload that photo to Canva and place the cutout over the primary photo. But that's about it. If this video was helpful, then leave a like on this video, and I'll see you soon.